So, students, welcome to the last session of unit number 2 in engineering ethics. It's about theories of right action, or otherwise called as ethical theory. The ethical theories are useful in many respects. Some of them are you can understand the moral dilemma and providing clarity, and helpful practical guidance in moral issues, justifying professional obligations and decisions, and in relating ordinary and professional morality. So there are criteria used to for framing these ethical theories. Those are the first one is utilitarian theory. So it's one of the approach in ethical theory. So in ethical theory, utilitarian is the uh, prime approach. It was been proposed by Jeremy Bentham, and suggested that it was being suggested that standard of right conduct is a maximization of good consequences. So good consequences means either utilities or balance of good over evil. In analyzing an issue in this approach, we have to identify various course of action, ask who will be affected by each action, and choose the action that will produce greatest benefit. So then we go to duty ethics. This was been proposed by Immanuel Kant, and it states that actions are consequences of performance of one's duties, such as being honest, not causing sufferings, being fair, being grateful. So Kant also gives that if we are rational and autonomous being, we have a duty not to commit suicide, a duty to develop our talent, and duty to avoid harmful drugs. So, for example, we should be honest because honest is required by a duty. A businessman is to be honest because honest pays in terms of profit. So that is the second one. The third one is rights theory. Rights are entitlement to act or to have another individual act in a certain way. Minimally, rights serve as a protective barrier, shielding individuals from unjustified infringement of their moral agencies by others. So for every right, we have a corresponding duty of non-interference. So then the last one is virtue theory. So there's a tabulation shown here. So we have categorizing four columns. First was virtue, the second one is excess, the third one is golden mean, and fourth one is deficient. For example, truthfulness, if it is taken as a virtue, then excess is revealing all in violation of tact and confidentiality, that is excess. Then golden mean is necessary and sufficient to proper person. Then deficient is secretive. If you take courage as virtue, ruggedness and bold as excess, firm and humble as golden mean, cowardice as deficient. So in similar manner, if you take work and earn as virtue, then tiresome work as excess, balance of work and leisure is golden mean, and laziness is this deficient. That's about virtue theory and uses of virtue theory. Thank you for the time, students. Thank you.